Parsvakonasana using a chair. And you can see I have a blanket here due to my height, and I also have a brick there so I can ground my lower hand on something. So you're going to start by stepping inside of your chair. You can take your front foot in, and you want to have the back of the knee at the edge of the chair seat here. So we're looking for a 90-degree angle here with the leg, which is why I have a little bit of support due to my height. Now, some of you, if you're a little bit shorter, you may want to take something underneath the foot so you can ground the foot down. Then you extend your back leg back, press into the outer edge of your foot. Then take your bottom arm and you're going to extend this side trunk and you hook your armpit onto this chair rail. So this allows me to lengthen the underside trunk, which tends to shrink in this pose. Then I take the hand down either to the floor. I have a brick here to ground my fingertips on it. Roll the trunk up towards the ceiling, squeeze the outer hips in, and expand the chest. Then take your top arm up, turn the palm so it starts to face the floor, and then on the exhalation, take the arm overhead, and you can look up towards the ceiling. Then to come out, release. Okay, come up, and then you can change sides. Let us know if you have any questions, and as always, happy practicing. Namaste.